Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and I'm out here at the range today courtesy of Morphe's with a fantastic opportunity. We have possibly the only registered transferable PPS-42 Soviet SMG in the United States, and we have an opportunity to do some shooting with it. So this is the firearm that led to the development of the PPS-43, which would go into huge-scale production as the Soviet Union's late-war submachine gun. The PPS-42 had a rather interesting history. In fact, we talked all about this yesterday. So if you didn't see yesterday's video, check that out. But the short version is these were being made in Leningrad during the siege of Leningrad to help break the siege of Leningrad. So let's see how it shoots. A little bit of malfunction in there. It shoots rather fast. This was, believe it or not, the simpler, faster, easier to build submachine gun compared to the PPS-41, and it did the job pretty darn well. Let me go refill this. Well, this is really about as simple of a submachine gun as you can get. A couple little complaints. The stock's a little bit wobbly. This is a locking mechanism that they would revise and improve for the PPS-43s. It's shooting a little faster than I had anticipated or expected. I don't know if that's the result of the ammunition. This is Polish 7.62 Tokarev ammunition, which should be basically exactly the same sort of submachine gun ammo that this was originally used with. But rate of fire's higher than I thought it would be. The occasional malfunction, which is understandable, we only have the one magazine. The PPS-42 magazines are not interchangeable with 43s. They made a bunch of improvements to the magazine as well as the gun. So this guy is old. This is, what, 80-some years old now? About 80 years old now. And went through quite a lot of combat already, so we'll cut it some slack on reliability. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A big thanks to Morphe's for giving me the chance to put some rounds through this. I am going to call it a day here. This poor guy's a little tired, and we're going to let him go back to resting. But a fantastic opportunity. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.